All right, folks, I bought this lithium, whatever, 20 volt lithium cordless weed eater, I don't know, several months ago, sometime in the summer, to help my son not have to use the other weed eater that's gas and a little heavier, help him to be able to do some some of the lawn work himself with the edging and weed eating. So this thing lasted about 2 months maybe and stopped working. So I have charged these batteries. I can't imagine that they would have already completely died within a couple of months. I just didn't have any time, so I'm going to take this thing apart today and see if I can actually get some voltage down on the end, down where the motor is, to see if at least it's getting that far. So let's go ahead and take it apart.
I'll take one of the screws out. Whoa, what was that? Well, we have not looked at any manuals or anything to see how to take this apart, so I'm just looking for screws and I'm going to undo them as I see them. It may be that very shortly I get stopped by some sort of something. We're going to find out. Those are all the same size, by the way. So, I'm pretty good to take it off that way. Take this wheel out. Also the same size. Let's see, how's that work? Actually, didn't need to do that. So put it back before I get too far in and have extra screws like a lot of my other projects. I'll have extra screws, right? Set that aside. Alright, so appears to be a screw there. Two more. How do we get that out? It just popped out. It appears to just pop out. Oh, let's see what we can do without. Nope, it's gonna have to come off. Let's try a giant flathead first. You know what? I'll take a hammer. Let's go to the mallet first. Doesn't work anyway, right? Be with a hammer. Probably a screw here that I'm missing. Is there a screw? Ah, look at it. That just might be a screw. Look at that. Now the hammer will do. Wait. Aha. Which is revealed on the screw. And another two. Ooh, look at that. A longer bit.
I think they're all off. Excellent. Get a good shot there. Kind of cool. Nice little motor in there. Gonna take this battery off. I'm quite sure that this one is depleted. Plug that back into the charger. Alright, the other thing is I have no idea. Well, it looks like positive on the right, negative on the left.
I can find my multimeter here.
I'm gonna see. No, it's dead.
Beat it. Is it still dead? Get some more. That's dead.
Alright, so got the multimeter working here. I'm gonna see if we are getting any voltage, these untangled a bit, on this battery. Alright, so that's the negative and that is supposedly the positive. And I'm getting 20 volts. If you can see without my arm in the way there. Getting 20 volts. Alright, I'm gonna plug this battery in. I don't know what those other connections are for, but I'm assuming if I've got it on those two connections, I've got it on a hole. And smack it down in there. Now comes the tricky part. I think what I'm going to do is actually take those. They're actually soldered on. I can't actually do that. But just to prove a point here, pulling the trigger, nothing. Absolutely nothing. So I might need my cameraman's help here. Put that on the positive and negative. I'm going to pull the trigger down here and see if we get any voltage. See if maybe the motor's dead. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
And it is actually sending 20 volts to that motor. So that motor is just hammered dead. Pull the trigger there and maybe it will focus on there. I don't know. But it's actually putting out 20 volts. So, does not work, obviously. Interestingly enough, I put it on the different speed and it only decreases the voltage by half a volt. And it's a 20 volt battery. I'm just noticing here that this is an 18 volt motor. At any rate, I wanted to show you this just in case you wanted to order a motor for this thing. I'm not even sure if they sell this, so I'm going to look at it myself. But there you can see the model number. It appears that this one was made in 2015, February 7th of 2015. So anyway, I hope this video helps somebody. This thing doesn't work anymore. $100 wasted.